Ever wondered why your furry friend is coughing? Here are 5 reasons that might be causing it. First, it could be due to kennel cough, a contagious respiratory infection. Second, heartworm disease can also lead to coughing in dogs. Third, allergies to pollen, dust, or mold might be the culprit. Fourth, foreign objects stuck in the throat can cause irritation and coughing. And finally, heart disease can manifest as a persistent cough in dogs. Keep an eye on these factors to ensure your pup stays healthy and happy.